Hello everyone. So today I'm bringing a video that contains a smartwatch that is very cheap. It's like less than $4 that I bought from Wish, and I can't believe nowadays we can buy a smartwatch for less than $4. That's pretty good. So this is from the Wish. I don't know, like this is smartwatch, but I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out to be. So as you can see, it also says smartwatch here. All right, and over here they put $5, but I only paid like 3.55, $3.55, but $5 shipping. So let's see what's inside. Okay, the box is not very great. All right, it's a smart bracelet. Your health, stay alert. Stay alert. So looks like it has heart rate. I believe this is heart rate. Is it temperature? Not sure. Calorie maybe. Steps, pedometer, GPS, and looks like phone calls. And on the back, as you can see, some specs are given, and also looks like you can get it in different colors. So let's see what's inside. Okay, black bands. Okay, looks good. And here's the watch. So it does not have any cables or anything, so I don't know how to. Oh, right here, I think you put this in the USB port. I think you just plug this into USB and charge it. So let's put this in my computer and see if it charges. Okay, so here's my computer, and I'm gonna plug this in. So it's charging now. Okay, so since I charged it for a while, it should be fine. Let me just take this off, and I think this is the heart rate monitor sensor right here. Okay, so I don't know if you can see. Oops. So there is a little circle here. That's the touch screen part of it. Okay, so yeah, and I just wanted to show you what's in this smartwatch that costs only $4. And I think to be able to use this effectively, you have to download the app. So I think you have to download the app. So yeah, it says install the Bracelet app on your phone. Looks like you can download it for Android and iOS. I'm not gonna be doing that. I'm just gonna basically show you on this one. Let's put the band on. And there you go. So I think you can just swipe it like that. Steps 13. Heart rate and your vital signs. I think your vital signs right here. I think, let's see, where is it? So vital signs, here is BPM, beats per minute, that's heart rate, and I think this is blood pressure and this is oxygen level. Sports, it says long press, so I'm gonna long press and see what's in there. So steps, again you can long press it again. There you go. Here I think it'll show kilocalorie. It turns off so quickly. So the counter is running now. I'm gonna long press again, see what will happen. It takes you back. Skipping, wow, it has more functions. Sit-ups, okay, that's it. And messages, I think you get the notification here if there is any messages. Okay, and what else? Let's press on more, long press again. And I think you can scan this with your QR scanner to download the app, I think. So if you don't have the manual, actually you can scan the code from the watch itself, which is good. And looks like you can control the camera from this watch as well, but like I said, you will have to download the app and connect the watch to it. And what else? And you can do the find my phone from the watch, and that's it. That's all it has. So I'm just gonna show you the heart rate and my vitals. So I'm gonna put this on my wrist, and let's see, let's check my vitals. And I think you have to long press. There you go. As you can see, it's flashing. So my heart rate is 76. %97 oxygen saturation in my blood, and 125/80. This is strange. This is, I think, 125 supposed to be on left and 80 supposed to be on right, but it's strange. All right, I think that is all I want to show you today. If anyone wants me to show how to connect with phone, download app and connect with phone and show the features on the phone app, let me know so that I can download the app and show it on the phone. For now, this is all. Looks like it's a good watch for $4 plus $5 shipping. And it took a while to get here. It was showing I would get it by March 7, but I got it before that, and I'm actually happy about it. So yeah, this is the watch for $4 from Wish, and it looks pretty good for $4, right? So let me know what you think about it. If you want to buy this watch from Wish, I'll put that link up, and I'll also put some other links if I find this anywhere else, so that you can just click on it and buy it. And thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you for your time. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.